Hi, I'm Linda Facci of Facci Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to get white words on a dark t-shirt with t-shirt transfers. Now there's special paper you need to buy for dark t-shirts. It'll tell you on the cover that it is specifically made for dark t-shirts. And what it is that it has a white background already. It's almost like a sticker paper. And you do not have to mirror the image. You do not have to have it horizontal or flip it. It prints the way it is. As opposed to t-shirt transfers for light colored t-shirts. They have a transparent background, so you do have to flip the image. But here we're doing a dark t-shirt. So what I did is I designed something that had a color bordering the white letters. Or you can print white letters and cut each one out and iron that on, but you want some sort of color to border the white letters. So what I've done, I printed that out on my transfer paper, and now I've trimmed around that color. I also had printed something that looked like this, and I cut around each letter. It's a lot of work. So we have our transfer here. And now, this should be fun, you have to peel away the backing. Now, you do not have to do this with light colored shirts. So you peel away the backing. So I've got that cut out, and now I'm going to place that where I want it on my t-shirt. Here I'm going to center it, and place a piece of paper over that. You want a nice hard, smooth surface. You want your iron set on medium, no steam, no water involved. And then I'm going to press down. Let's just check it. Yeah, so peel that away. Now you have image on a dark t-shirt. And you'd want to, when you wash this, you want to wash it inside out on cold water. The transfer will last a little bit longer. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. This is Linda Facci of Facci Designs. Thank you.